Okay, pampering ourselves, ladies, should not be just going to get our nails done, things like that. Sometimes self-care needs to be other parts of our body. And this is a fantastic device. Now, I've already got it opened up, but this right here is to steam. So this is great for postpartum or just needing some comfort. So what's great about it is that it does expand. I'll go ahead and pop this back in. So it comes flat like this, and it also comes in a beautiful bag. So you can easily store it away in your drawstring bag. And then when you're ready to use it, you just want to warm some water up and then pop this open like so, like that, okay? And then you will take your toilet seat, flip it up, and you'll set this on the toilet seat, and then you will pour the water into here and just make sure that it's at the correct level for you. Also, another really beautiful, nice feature that comes with this is these steam herbs. Now, they're beautiful herbs, and they also smell amazing. Oh my goodness. But let me show you. They kind of have that like really pretty floral look to them inside there, and they smell amazing. It's like a spa experience, let's be honest. So we have that as well, and we could easily store that in the bag when we're done. You enjoy it for about 10 minutes sitting right on here, and then once you get off of there and you're all done, they make it so easy to drain it because they have the drain holes here. You just easily tip it up and it goes right into the toilet, and then you are all done. You just want to clean it and then pop it right back together and store it away, and that's it. So whenever you want to have a spoil yourself, treat yourself, maybe you just had a baby, this is such a nice gift as well to give someone that is a new mom. So all in all, a really cool total package.